FCN نیوز اسٹوڈیو سے میں ہوں یاسین. یہ تھی آج کی ہیڈ لائنز
اور میں ہوں محمد شفیق عباسی. بلیٹن میں شامل کریں گے علاقائی خبریں.
منچسٹر کے VIP ریسٹورنٹ ورملین میں ایک پرتکلف ڈنر کا اہتمام سمائل ایڈ اور ایزی منی کی جانب سے کیا گیا، جس میں منچسٹر کی کاروباری، سماجی، سیاسی اور مذہبی شخصیات کی بڑی تعداد نے شرکت کی. تفصیلات کے مطابق ایزی منی سمائل ایڈ کی طرف سے برطانیہ بھر سے شرکت کرنے والوں میں جورج گیلوے، ڈاکٹر لیاقت، ایزی منی DMTV مشہور گلوکار استاد رفاقت علی خان اور ایزی منی DMTV بلیک سٹون حمزہ، ویلفیئر سوسائٹی شہباز سرور چودھری مسرت، استاد محمد صفدر جرنلسٹ سنی، محمد صفدر بلوچ، فاروق احمدچیمہ، استاد رفاقت علی خان اور ان کی ٹیم، جیمی اور ان کی بیٹی نے اپنی قوال اور نعت کے ذریعے سامعین کے دلوں کو تازگی اور رونق بخشی. آئیں آپ کو لے کر چلتے ہیں بقیہ رپورٹ کی طرف. فاروق احمدچیمہ، FCN نیوز UK منچسٹر.
As a member of Parliament, and I'm back down there kicking those two cheeks of the same backside that I talk about. I did say to the Speaker that he said 7 is a lucky number. I said no, 8 is my lucky number, so expect me one more time. But it is the case, without, and I don't want to criticize any other person or party, but we are on a huge recruitment drive right now. And in the course of this iftar, I picked up 5 candidates standing for us in May and indeed in the general election when it comes. If I get 5 candidates in every iftar this Ramadan, that will sweep the country. But I have never been more pleased than to welcome my dear brother Shabazz as a candidate for the workers. Shabazz and I, along with Abu Bakr and his friends, we have actually been going around the streets late at night in the cold, delivering hot food to homeless people. That's the kind of brothers they are. That's the kind of Muslims they are. They're not Muslims for show. And when they're giving this food, they're not making dawah. They know that God is watching, of course, everything we do and everything we don't do. God is watching. But and only God knows the result. But given the path, Sirat al-Mustaqim, that you are on and have been on, I am sure that path will take you all the way to victory. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. So thank you for having us. If you permit me one last thing, I just want to say a somber thing. In Manchester, in the forthcoming elections, and I hope all of you will support him, will elect him, will give him the necessary resources to fight.
Ehtmam in our homes, in our lives, and the prosperity world. I'm a shy individual, but these guys have convinced me to stand, to become a voice at the table. What we see today, even in the media, what we see today, the new policies that we're making, the new policy document forward will indicate that the model of organizations, including charities or any organization, we could be labeled as extremist organizations in a sense. So there's a lot of changes that are coming, and I think the only way to move forward with those and look after our...
उसकी किस्मत का उसकी किस्मत